Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it's Friday, January 8th, 2021. We've been talking about growth mindset all week. We're going to kind of wrap that up for now. But first, let's start with the Pledge of Allegiance. Can you please stand at attention? Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You guys can have a seat. Show me a good slant. Sit up nice and straight. We're going to talk a little bit more about growth mindset today, and then I want to give you just a little preview about what we're going to be talking about next week, because next week we're going to shift to a totally different topic and cover some topics I think will be really interesting and pretty fun to talk about. So, first of all, growth mindset. You've been talking all week about can your brain grow? We've been talking all year about how to set goals and set different goals and set SMART goals. And you guys are getting so good at setting SMART goals for PLT time. You're awesome at that. Did you know that I can look in on Summit and look at your page for every single one of you, and I can see your goals, and I see all kinds of really good goals that are actually measurable. They're time bound. Like by the end of PLT today, I'm going to do XYZ, right? Today I want to throw out a little different one just so you can start a conversation with your teacher about this. What kind of goal could you set at PLP conferences? So for those of you who've been around Achieve for a long time, you already know about PLP conferences. This means personalized learning plan conferences. This is when you get your grades, you sit down with your teacher and your parents, and you guys all talk about how did you do this last semester? What goals do you have for the future? But now that we're getting so good at SMART goals, we need to make sure that we set SMART goals. But we're not going to set a PLP goal for just one day. We're going to set a bigger goal. So think about that this morning. What goal might you set? Do you want to set a goal for the whole trimester? That's a really big goal. Do you want to set a month-long goal? That's still a pretty big goal. Like 1 month, in 1 month I'm going to do this. You have to stay focused for a long time, and you'll need like little mini goals within those big goals. So I want you to start that conversation. Like, what kind of goal would be a PLP goal? It's not going to be the same goals you've been writing. It's not going to be, I will take my PFA on waves before the end of the period. It's much bigger. So how can you make a much bigger goal, still be specific, measurable, time-bound, all of those kind of things? So while you're chatting about that today, I also want to throw out some ideas about what we're going to start doing next week. So this growth mindset thing is really interesting, but there's also this bigger issue of our society is always growing and changing and doing new things, right? Next week's a regular 5-day week, but then we have a 3-day weekend. And the reason we have a 3-day weekend is for Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and we celebrate that day, and we celebrate all the amazing things that he did in his life and all the growth that we've had in civil rights over the last 60 years. But also, last year in 2020, there was a bunch of stuff, I don't know if you know about this and if you're watching the news or not, where there really were a lot of things, a lot of race things where, you know, there, even in 2020, like modern times, the exact same issues that Dr. King was dealing with, right? Black people and white people not being treated equally. People of other colors not being treated equally. So we want to dive into that a little bit next week, talk about things like what can we do? What is actually going on in our world? So we're going to do that next week. So you can start kind of thinking about those. I do want you to try and focus your conversations today on what do big PLP goals sound like? But you have all of next week to think through that with your teacher, and then you'll have a little bit of the following week, depending on what day your PLP conference falls on, to actually set your goal and come up with a big goal. So you don't have to know your goal today. All right, that's all I want to tell you today. Have a great day, Achieve.